Good morning, we are in the office again today for another Giraffe Social vlog. Today's going to be a good one. We're going bowling, the whole team's in, so we're going to talk to the team, see what they think and have a little bit of fun. So we're setting up the office for the round table, the slightly smaller version of our normal setup. So you guys looking forward to bowling later?
Yeah, I am.
When was the last time you guys went bowling?
I think it was with the people from my last job, but I had very long nails then, so I couldn't really play, so I could only just push the ball. So now I'm happy that I can actually play. I'll still probably have the little barriers
I need the barriers.
Yeah.
I can't do it.
Who do you think's gonna win?
Ileana.
Well, yeah.
Because she's gonna do everything she can to win.
It's gonna be between Phil and Illy.
Yeah.
I think they always have that competition.
Media marketing campaigns, have you guys seen recently?
Ooh,
That
that's a
we've
really
seen.
good question. Let me have a look.
I was thinking of one the other day that was, have you seen the Arla Farms one? It's like all the farmers singing like everybody's free.
Oh.
And it's a load of farmers and their cows, but it's actually farmers singing. And I was thinking like, that's quite a good human first approach, because it's like they're not actors, they're actual farmers.
Whoopsie.
Do you want to do a walk and talk? No, you don't want to be, so you're enjoying being... Nikki, don't run away from me! Oh, sorry, no.
Please, no paps, no paps.
No.
Perfect. Love it.
We got the podcast coming back soon, haven't we?
Yes, that is another plate.
Yeah,
that
another
gets
plate to juggle, but we'll be in cell block all together, hopefully doing that.
Yes. So the podcast we relaunched back in maybe a year ago now, and love doing that. I love creating the podcast where we took a pause in around January, February time, and we are now getting back to relaunching it, which should be fab. I'm really looking forward to it, and we're slightly revamping it, but you have to wait and see.
Yeah. We're going bowling! POV. Yeah. Way. Actually aim this. No. Come on. Good enough. Okay, so that is the office day wrapped up. We just finished bowling. Everyone's had a good time. I hope you've enjoyed it. And for more Giraffe content, like our pages, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.